Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pan-seared roast veal. This recipe is perfect for those who don't want to use the oven and it's incredibly flavorful. Let's get started. So first you'll need a nice piece of veal, about 1 kilo. I'm using the noce cut, which is very tender. Then tie the veal with kitchen string tied tightly and put the rosemary twigs between the string and the veal. When the veal is tied tightly, season it with salt and pepper and then turn it in the flour. You also need carrots, celery, onions, vegetable broth and some olive oil. These three ingredients, carrots, celery and onions, should be finely chopped together. Now it's time to sear the veal. In a pan, add a bit more olive oil. Sear it on all sides until it's nicely browned. This will look in the juice and give it a beautiful color. Once the veal is seared, add red wine and the vegetables into the pan. Pour in some broth, enough to come about halfway up the side of the meat. Bring it to a simmer, then cover the pan and reduce the heat. Let it cook for about half an hour to 2 hours or until the veal is tender. Be sure to baste it with the cooking liquid every 20 or 30 minutes. When the veal is cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This allows the juice to redistribute, making the meat more tender and easier to slice. For a better result, you can leave the veal in the fridge for one night. But now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it's very important for us. Thank you! Now, slice the veal and place it back in the pan with the sauce. Heat it for a few minutes until it's warm through. After that, you can also reduce the sauce in the pan in order to obtain your preferred smooth. Serve it hot and enjoy. And that's it, a delicious pan-seared roast veal, perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking videos. See you next time!